My best friend and I went on a train trip to the largest city in West Africa. We got to the Meta train station at Yaba, and we bought our tickets and we were directed to the waiting room where everyone waited because it was not time to move. A few minutes close to 8 a.m. we were directed to the where the train is. This is us going close to the train. So we're all waiting to enter our coaches because everybody has different coaches. We got into the train, we sat down, and my friend is happy. He's going on a train trip for the first time in his life. At exactly 8 a.m. the train moved, and you can see the view was mad. We decided to get something to eat because we didn't eat at home. On the train, according to them, you are not supposed to bring food into the train, but you can get something on the train. So they were selling rice, but we could not afford it, so we decided to buy a meat pie and 2 cups of coffee because the AC on the train was working. Everyone was chilled, and we had to buy coffee to eat our meat pie.
America's presentation of ticket by NLC officials. Please comply accordingly. Please keep your tickets included to the end of the journey.
And then we arrived at the Chief Obafemi Awolowo train station, Moniya, Ibadan.
I feel like what up my people, we alive, touchdown Ibadan. Come with me, let's go.
So when we got to the car park, my friend met one of his friends and he greeted him. Then he made way we went to meet one of the drivers at the car park to negotiate because we are hearing different prices and our brain won't blow, so we had to be smart. So we finally decided on the price. Then we were waiting for other passengers to join us while we move on to our first location, which is the University of Ibadan, and we're on our way. So if you love to have your own first train experience, join us this December as we'll be traveling to the largest city in West Africa by train.